Hi beauties, welcome to Finding Evie. I hope you find all the things that you need here today and know that you are beautiful and loved. Hey beauties, it's me Evie and I am going to do something totally different. And I'm nervous about it, so please don't judge too much, okay? So I'm gonna do my first solo cooking right now with y'all. You're like, Evie, what have you been doing up to this point? Well, my brother either cooked for me, or he was here and we did something together, or I just ate microwave food. That's what I've been living on for the last year, and it's about time that I start cooking for myself. Well, this is gonna be a little bit of a fast situation because I'm still not great on my feet, and right now I'm really not feeling that well, but I need to cook this thing because I'm gonna have a friend over to eat my casserole. So wish me luck, and I'm just gonna film it all, the good, the bad, the ugly. I'm scared. Okay, come on with me. Okay, first of all, I need to find a pan. Well, I found a bowl and a cutting board. I might need those. I found a pot or a pan. I found the only seasoning you really need, but I got some garlic too. So we're gonna spray this. We gotta open our can of corn. I hope y'all guys can hear me. Uh-oh. I knew something wasn't right. Okay, so we're gonna drain this can of corn. I'm gonna pop the lid. We're going to need these, which is just some onion and some cilantro salsa, some already cooked chicken, and cheese. Okay. We're just gonna need a few more. Okay. Now we're going to take the Mexican style cheese that'll give us a good bottom. Now we're going to put the corn. Just kind of spread it around. Now I'm just going to season up the corn with the Tonys. Okay. Now over here, oh, I need one more thing. Now, you could do this step and put the corn in the bowl. I chose to put it in the casserole first. So we're going to put the cream of chicken, 1 can. And we're just gonna put it in the, okay, that was not, I'm trying to bend over and do this so you can see. Okay, we got we got that. Now, we're gonna get some cilantro. This is the best cilantro salsa I've ever had. This is so good. We got it at the local Walmart here. I'm just gonna put like 3 spoons in there. It's gonna look like that. Just give it a little, because what you don't want it too extremely juicy. Maybe I should put a little bit more. Nope, don't want to do that. Let me get another spoon. Okay, I have a clean spoon. So I'm going to put another, so 4 spoons of that. Oh no. Okay, that got dirty. Okay, now we're going to start that. Did I already put this in there? I don't remember. We'll put some more. You can never have enough. Okay, now I'm going to stir that up. Okay, I'm going to put some garlic. Don't be scared of the garlic. I hope y'all can hear me. I told y'all this is going to be the fastest little dish, and people love this for some reason. I mean, it's good. I like it. This was one of my 4-H dishes when I was growing up. I bet y'all didn't know that about me, but I did cooking competitions when I was a kid. Okay. Let's see. Okay, that's about all the onion we're gonna put. Now I'm going to keep stirring this. Okay, that's all mixed up. Now I'm going to put the chicken. I forgot to put my oven on preheat, so I just did that to 350. Smells pretty darn good. I am going to use my kitchen scissors. that in together. And then we're gonna pour all this in here. Can you see me? Okay. Spatula. My brother's spatula. Now the fun thing about this dish is you can use different meats. You can use Mexican corn, which I think I just got something on my shirt. Like I said, you can mix the corn in with this mixture and just put it in as one big thing. It's just such a diversity. Deserve? No. You know what I'm trying to say. So then we're gonna put our layer of cheese after yeah. So now I'm just going to set this on the oven and wait for the oven to preheat. So then I will crumble Dorritos on top and then put the mozzarella on top of that. And that will be our dish. I'll show you when it's done. I'm going to finish putting up this stuff now after I get this off my hand. I went to change shirts because I was hot. I'm gonna have to edit the heck out of that, I know. All right. Okay, so hear what I hear? It's going off. So now we'll do the next two steps. Hold please. I mean, it looks pretty amazing, just like that. We're gonna make it even more amazing. You can crumble these, but why crumble? You just want to cover. That's enough. And then you're gonna just cheese it all kind of like stuck together. Oh wait. Oh no. I'm not using that. That does not smell good. No. No, no, no. Let's see. Maybe I have something else. Let's see how this one is. I don't know, because it smells like it too. I'll let my brother decide if that cheese is good. I don't put much. Now I'm gonna just pop it back in. I set the alarm for 10 minutes. So it's about to go off. I'm just gonna, oh, you got blurry. So there she is. I'm gonna pull her out. Can you see it? Like you can answer me. And we're gonna turn. Okay. Looks so good and it smells so good. So when I eat some, I'll let you know how it looks and tastes. Okay. Now remember, this is cold. Try to do this with one hand. Look at that. So, and then because I'm weird, I'm gonna put it in the microwave because that's the way I like it, reheated. Okay, let's ignore that I look like a mess because I took a nap. So here it is. I'm gonna take a bite. That pre-cooked chicken is good. That slaps. Good first run in the kitchen. Love y'all.